Welcome to this video on how to request a pupil inclusion amendment. If once you have checked your school's pupil CSV files you need to request to include a pupil, you can do so for those listed within the non-included pupil CSV file. I am now going to walk you through how to request a pupil inclusion. Click on Raise a new request. Click on Include a pupil. Click Continue. You now need to select the pupil who you wish to include. You can search for a pupil by name, date of birth, CYPMD ID, UPN, or by using the Next button. Click on the radio button next to the pupil you wish to include. Click Continue to confirm the pupil. There are no mandatory information or evidence requirements for a pupil inclusion request. However, you will have the opportunity to provide optional information or evidence to support your pupil inclusion request. Click Continue. You will now see a summary of your request. Click Continue. This will take you back to the main page where you will see a summary of any requests you have made so far. It is important to remember that your full return summary has not been made at this point. You can continue to make requests from here or log out and your amendments will be saved for later. The next video will show you how to request a pupil removal request.